In this video, you will learn to prepare a vibrant, nutrient-dense lunch specifically designed to fight oxidative stress and soothe your system. This recipe prioritizes an anti-inflammatory foundation, harnessing the natural power of turmeric, ginger, and potent antioxidants to support your recovery. It remains a heart-healthy choice with zero cholesterol and a focus on monounsaturated fats. Perfect for a busy schedule, this meal is incredibly meal prep friendly, as the flavors only deepen and marinate overnight. By focusing on low glycemic ingredients, it ensures you enjoy steady, reliable energy throughout the day without uncomfortable blood sugar spikes. To craft this healing, ostomy-friendly breakfast, start with 1 cup of well-rinsed and drained cooked chickpeas as your hearty base. You'll need 1 cup of baby spinach or very finely chopped kale to provide a gentle dose of greens. For the aromatic, anti-inflammatory kick, prepare half a teaspoon of ground turmeric and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Brighten the flavors with the juice of half a large lemon and a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Finally, a pinch of sea salt and a crack of black pepper ensure the turmeric is fully absorbed for maximum digestive benefit. Begin by rinsing your chickpeas thoroughly under cold water until the foam completely disappears, ensuring they are clean and easy to digest. Take care to finely chop your greens and any additional crunchy vegetables, such as cucumber, to maintain a soft, stoma-friendly texture. Next, grate the fresh ginger and zest your lemon before juicing to release their bright, anti-inflammatory oils. Finally, keep your ground turmeric and black pepper together in a small bowl. Adding them simultaneously is the key to unlocking the turmeric's full healing potential for your gut. To begin your preparation, focus on whisking together the vibrant golden dressing in a small bowl, blending the olive oil, bright lemon juice, earthy turmeric, and warming ginger with a pinch of salt and pepper. This step ensures the anti-inflammatory spices are fully emulsified and ready to coat your ingredients. Next, set up your mixing bowl and serving plate to keep your workspace organized and calm. Finally, ensure the chickpeas are patted thoroughly dry. Removing excess moisture is the secret to ensuring the golden dressing clings effectively to every surface for a consistent, flavorful bite. Begin by setting your stove to low-medium heat to ensure a gentle, controlled infusion. Add a teaspoon of olive oil to your small skillet, then introduce the chickpeas along with the turmeric and ginger spice blend. For the next 2 to 3 minutes, toss the mixture lightly until the spices release their fragrant, earthy aroma and the chickpeas are warmed through. This brief window allows the flavors to bloom without overcooking the delicate ingredients. Be sure to turn off the heat immediately, as this prevents the spices from burning and maintains their soothing, anti-inflammatory properties. With the chickpeas still warm and the heat now turned off, gently toss in your finely chopped spinach or kale. This careful method utilizes residual heat to soften the greens just enough to be safe for your stoma, ensuring they remain tender without losing their vital, heat-sensitive enzymes. Stir the mixture gently for about 30 seconds, allowing the greens to wilt into a manageable, low-residue texture. This brief, heat-free step ensures the greens are easy to process, while maintaining a vibrant, nutrient-dense breakfast that respects your digestive rhythm and comfort. For the final emulsion, gently pour the whisked lemon olive oil dressing over your warm chickpea mixture. Stir thoroughly until every legume is coated in a vibrant, golden hue that signals a job well done. If the consistency feels a bit too dry, feel free to add an extra splash of warm water or a squeeze of lemon juice to maintain that soft, easy-to-digest texture. Ensure the black pepper is visible throughout the dish. It serves as the essential key that unlocks the turmeric's full anti-inflammatory power, ensuring your breakfast is as functional as it is flavorful. Gently transfer the golden scramble and wilted spinach into a shallow bowl, creating a calm and appetizing presentation that is easy on the eyes and the digestion. For an extra boost of omega-3s and a touch of freshness, garnish the top with a light sprinkle of fresh parsley or hemp seeds. This meal is equally comforting whether served warm or slightly chilled. Each generous portion is carefully balanced to provide 15 g of plant protein alongside a full daily dose of anti-inflammatory spices, ensuring you feel nourished without overwhelming your system. This vibrant dish serves as a powerful ally for your daily vitality, blending flavor with functional healing. By harnessing the curcumin and gingerol found in its core ingredients, it actively reduces internal inflammation while supporting a balanced microbiome through high fiber content. A bright splash of fresh lemon juice delivers the vitamin C necessary to boost your immunity, keeping your defenses strong. Furthermore, the complex carbohydrates from the chickpeas ensure a steady release of energy, effectively preventing that dreaded afternoon slump. It is a thoughtful, nourishing choice that sustains both your gut health and your long-term wellness.